A man was shot dead while doing construction work at a house on Panton Lane in Old Harbour, St. Catherine on Saturday afternoon. The deceased has been identified as 21-year-old Tyrone Roberts, otherwise called Gungo Man, from Marley Acres in Old Harbour. Reports reaching Observer Online indicate at about 3 p.m., Roberts was doing construction work when residents heard loud explosions. Shortly after, they reportedly discovered the Roberts running along the roadway before collapsing and falling to the ground. Residents summoned the police, who found Roberts lying on the ground with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. He was assisted to the Spanish Town Hospital but was pronounced dead. No motive has been established for the killing, the police said. A mother has been left numb and heartbroken following the shooting death of her 23-year-old daughter in an alleged domestic dispute in the United States on Saturday. The deceased, Shanae Simit, was reportedly shot in the head while at her home in Latonia, Georgia. She was rushed to hospital in critical condition but died later that day. Her mother, Tanisha Williams, told Observer Online that she was on the phone with her daughter just minutes before her death. "Me and her talk every single day. I was just on the phone with her and she said, 'Mommy, me I go brush my teeth and me I go come back and call you back,'" said Williams as she recounted her last conversation with her daughter. According to Williams, approximately 20 minutes after hanging up the phone, she received a call from her daughter's boyfriend, who allegedly told her that he had shot Simit. "Him call 1:39 and I will never forget that day and the time. 1:39 when me see Kahir phone number call me," said Williams. When Williams probed Kahir, he allegedly told her that he had killed Simit because she was going to leave him. Williams further shared that her daughter had met her boyfriend while attending Old Harbour High School when both were students at the institution. Though the duo didn't date in high school, the distraught mother noted that sometime in 2022, they had bumped into each other and became a couple. Williams explained that her daughter migrated to the United States that year when she worked in a restaurant. According to news report from Fox Local, Simit alleged killer is on the run as police continue their investigation.